So in a very layman language, I would say ECG. You heard it, right? ECG, it measures the heart rate. Same way, EEG, it means electroencephalography. It measures your brain waves. So it's a heart rate. So it's like impulse. You are getting that on a screen, right? Same way, it's a brain generates a constant frequency. And now, like, lot of influencers and a lot of people are talking about the vibration manifestation. So what is it? It's a vibration. So brain is constantly generating. So brain is built upon a 14 billion plus neurons. So you consider neurons as a dot. So each neuron's constantly having a conversation with each other, and that's why once they're connected to each other, they generate a impulse. So that is called, and they've categorized in a many ways, but one is very people are using this categories is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and theta.
I think brain waves are divided into these categories.
Yes. So that is called brain waves. So right now we were doing a podcast. So we are in a beta stage. So per second, we are getting 13 to 30 thoughts. And the thoughts is a frequency. So the beta frequency is 13 to 13 hertz. So, and then once the podcast is finished, I'm like relaxing over a couch and just close my eyes. I'm alert, but still I'm alert but still relaxed because it's finished. Because after office hours you came to home, like after school or colleges you came to home, you feel that is your alpha, right? So when the 8 to 12 hertz frequency, so 8 to 12 thoughts per second are coming, but as I said, you are relaxed but still alert. Then the theta is something which is it's happened when you before sleeping time. So it's your dreamy state, lucid dream, you can say. The creativity happens in this time and everything, right? So that is a theta. And the last, when you're sleeping, that time delta is generated. Delta is a deep sleep. So that is the general category people are voice. But we you can trigger all those things. You can alter your brain waves and have a good life, good habits, and success. But yeah, that's what the basic brain waves and EEG. So what EEG do is it's capture all those brain waves, what is happening, and then we can have analysis over it.